So I'm going to show you how to turn Wi-Fi on or off on your Samsung phone. Now, I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. The first way is going to settings, and then under settings, go to connections, and then under connections, you should see Wi-Fi option at the top, and you can turn it off by simply turning off that toggle button. It's really that simple. Now, another way of doing it is simply swiping down to open up the control panel, and from here you will see the Wi-Fi option. Now when it's white like this, it means it's enabled. So you can also tell it's enabled because it's going to have the name of the current Wi-Fi connection it's connected to. So if you just tap on that, that's going to turn off Wi-Fi on your Samsung phone. So those are the two ways of turning off Wi-Fi on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.